Everyone, today we are going to discuss about the numerical on the basis of second law of motion. That was F is equal to ma, or F is directly proportional to rate of change of linear momentum. In this numerical, they have given a truck starts from the rest. From the rest means u has to be 0, as we have already discussed, and rolls down a hill with a constant acceleration. Acceleration is constant. It travels a distance 400 meter. They are saying it travels a distance 400 meters, means s is equal to 400 meter already given. Now after this, they are saying find the acceleration. We have to find the value of a. Find the force also which is acting on it if its mass is 7 metric ton. 7 metric ton is not the SI unit. So firstly we will convert metric ton into the kilogram. Already they have given 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. Now we are just, as per the numerical, we will start discussing like velocity of the truck. Initial velocity, they are saying truck starts from rest. Once truck starts from the rest means initial velocity u will be 0. Now they have given u is equal to 0 meter per second. Now after this, they are saying distance 400 meter covered in 20 second, mean t already given 20 second, s 400 meter and t 20 seconds. Both the thing t is equal to 20 second and distance s is equal to 400 meter. Now we have to find the value of acceleration. See here, by the help of this, if value of v and u we are knowing, v square is equal to u square plus 2as we can find, but here we are not having the value of v also. So for this we will go for the second equation of motion, which is s is equal to ut plus half at square. We will place all the value. S is equal to 400 meter, we placed here. U0 indicated u into t, 0 into t will be 0, so we placed it here. Half a, value of a we have to find, and t square 20 square already given. Now after this, 400 is equal to 0 into 20, 0, half a 20 square. 20 square means 400. Now we can just find 400, and after like this situation will come, 400 is equal to half into a into 400. 400 will be cancelled with 2. So later on it will be 200. So now our situation will become 400 is equal to 200a. So a will be 2 meter per second square. Now with the help of this equation, we got the value of a. Now value of a we got, value of m we are having 1000 kg. So with the help of second equation of motion, F is equal to ma, we can find the value of F, applied force, which they are asking find the force acting on it, means we have to find the value of F. We can find force is equal to mass into acceleration. The value of mass and acceleration they have given 2, and the value of force, 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram. So 7 metric ton will be 7000 kilogram. So 7000 into 2 will be 4000 Newton. By Newton, because the SI unit of force is Newton. So with this way we can easily find the value of force, mass and acceleration also in different cases. Just try the numerical. Thank you.